Alright, it is Sunday fun day. And I'm up. And I'm early. It's not even 9 o'clock yet. Normally I don't start till 10. Anyway, we've got lots to do today. Lots to do. Gonna be a boring video for you guys because I don't have much to show you, but I got a few things to show you. So, Terry, Court, everyone. Yeah, they're watching on the Chevy. Here we go. Unfortunately, I didn't have a spot to put it in, but it doesn't matter because it's not gonna rust anyway. Here we go. Look at this. There is the frame from Carried Away. Done in a beautiful satin black. Not a speck. It's hard to tell if the rainwater on there, but there's not a speck of undercoating on this frame anywhere. You can really see the cut in the welds now where Jack had done it back in the day. That's so cool. And you know what? It's solid as a rock. Nothing wrong with it. I don't know if you guys remember, this whole thing was just tarred up, lathered with undercoating. You couldn't even see these factory lines. And this is factory because my car has it itself, my 52 Chevy. Look how clean that turned out. Absolutely stunning. So happy with that. So the plan is today, depending on Mother Nature, if she allows it, we're going to try and get the diff, we're going to get the leaf springs and the diff in this chassis today. And then we're going to be painting all the front suspension today. I've got it apart. So here's the leaf springs, they're all done, ready to go. I've got all new bushings, hangers, everything for it. New bolts for the front, so we're going to get that in. So there we go, it's a start. It's a start. And of course this video is going to be, again, a little bit of Sunday fun day. It's going to be a bit of Terry's car and my own car going on. What else have we got going on here? Let's take a look. The shop's a shit show. Because I told you on one of my last videos, if you watched it, the one I just put out showing what was going on in the shop, showing the Scout and all that, I'm ripping things apart here during the week. Like you can just see, I've got shit everywhere because I'm starting to repaint the shop inside. So got a fella coming over today to give me a hand, so we still got to drag all this shit down. I took all the shelving down, everything, took all this crap down. I got stuff stacked in the other room. Oh, here's the Model A frame. Y'all remember? Oh, yeah, we're going to be painting around it today. There she is. Look at her. Just as shiny as ever. Just waiting. The diff for my Model A is down. Up the gear guy, local guy here in Chilliwack. He's going through it all. And the nice thing was he took it apart. I said it was a posi. I got it years and years and years ago. He took it apart and the posi unit is mint, he said. It's absolutely perfect. So that's a good thing. So I'm happy about that. We're going to put all new bearings in it. Even he said you don't have to, but he recommends it, and I said no, I agree. When you got something like that apart, a bearing kit's $200. Why would you not do it? Just do it. So my diff for that's down there. So it's not much I can do to the Model A today. I got a few parts I'm going to be cleaning up and painting for it too. But we're ripping stuff down here so we can get this whole section of the shop painted. All of this area. And the doors are coming down hopefully today. I went out and bought an actual roll-up door for here off of Marketplace. Just you can see it actually sitting here on the ground. These doors have just been on here since I bought the place, and they leak air and they're cold in the winter and they're a pain in the ass. They hit everything. So I got a nice roll-up door with some windows on top, and that'll look better in here. So that's going on today too. It's a busy, busy day. There's the door right there. And of course it's brown, which matches the brown that's already on the building. So that's great. Let's take a look. Come over here. Oh. So there's the Model A. She's covered up because we're going to be painting in here today. I'll see if I can lift it up and show you. We're damn near. I would think by next weekend we'll be putting it in first primer. Oh. There we go. The next weekend she'll be all first primer. Everything's getting fitted nicely together on it. I'm really happy. It's turning out nice. Turning out nice. Maybe taking a little bit longer than we were expecting, but we only spend, honestly, Saturdays on it, and sometimes a little bit on Fridays. So, I mean, we haven't just, you know, trying to get everything done between my own car and Terry's car. I want to have them ready for the show, for sure, in August. August 27th. Mission Raceways. Look it up. History Reunion Car Show. Going to be a good one for us people in BC. Actually, there's a part right there for Terry's car. There's one of his front backing plates I brought in. I got to go get all the other stuff. I got to put the pipe up here, and then I hang the pipe across here, then I'll hang everything here for his car and get that painted today. So, are these parts here for? No, those are more my Model A parts. My steering column little drop piece, my vent. So anyway, that is what is going on today on this day. So like I said, kind of a, did I unlock this door? Sure did. Kind of a boring day. Oh, there's Terry's drums. There's the drums off the Chevy. I had those all machined, and then I brought them home, painted them up, so they're all ready to go too. I say, here's just a bunch of boxes of stuff I'm putting everywhere. There's all the shelving I took down so far from the shop. Oh my God, oh, it's going to be a busy day. All the crap here we took down. Belts. I always keep belts. Even old fan belts that they're cracked and worn, I keep them. Because when you're building cars and mocking things up and changing things, I keep the belts because they all have part numbers on them, and you can try different belts, and then you know what to order new from the parts store, right? Just a thought. More shit sitting all over here. Okay, well, I think I'm going to, I got to get a few things ready here today, guys. I'm sorry. Like I say, this video is going to be more boring, more me talking than anything. I apologize for that. I got to get some stuff ready. My friend who's going to help me painting, he's on his way, so I got to get that kind of stuff ready, and then hopefully I can get on to putting the diff in Terry's car, which is right over here. Just right here. There it is. You remember that? So I did the frame satin black. I did all the components. They're all nice shiny black. So it's just a little dusty. Just wipes off. Tell ya. And again, we put all new wheel studs in it too. Didn't have to, but we did. It's gonna be a. It's gonna be nice, this car, when it's done. I'm really happy. Really happy. I wish I could have it 100% done for the car show. I'm not, you know, I really want to do the interior. Like, I want to leave the original interior that's in there, but I want to tidy things up. It needs carpet and stuff like that, but I'm just not going to have time. The crunch is on, and you can't get things done that quick. But I'm definitely going to have the bodywork, the paint, and the mechanical all done. And then the stuff afterwards, that's just little stuff you can slowly fart around with and play with and get done, right? So it's all good. So that's it. So, give you one last look at her. She's waiting there, carried away. Carried away. She's super happy. I know she's happy. I can feel it. Every time I walk in here, I know she's just happy. Okay, guys, let's get to it. Okay, so I got the diff brought out here. Got the leaf springs here, just putting it together right now. Got the diff sitting on a cart because I'm by myself, so it's just easier that way. Got the one leaf spring in with all the new bushings. So, I'm just I'm working on painting up the shackles. I forgot to paint the shackles, so there's one done right there. And I've got the other one is drying, so once the other one dries, I'll finish off getting this in. But I can put this leaf spring in right now, and then we will have a differential mounted in place. At the same time, we're working away over here too. Friend Brad's helped me out here, and we're getting this kind of painted up. Got the first coat of paint on. I don't know if you see a difference from when I first started filming, but that's the first coat. And I'm ripping the garage doors off too, because I'm getting a roll-up garage door installed today, like I said. So first coat on, first coat over there. Looking better. It's looking good. Yeah, so I'm very happy. So things are coming together in the shop today for Sunday Fun Day. But what time is it? Oh my God. Well, it's 1 o'clock. 1 o'clock, and we got 5 hours to go. So we're gonna do okay. We're gonna get there. Okay, so I got the diff in, the leaf springs all in, all bolted down nicely. Got the e-brake cables put back in place, ran up to their bar. Got that all nicely painted and detailed. Didn't bother painting the e-brakes or nothing. I just cleaned them up, just left them natural, like they would how they'd be. Like I say, we are building a show car, but not a show car, you know what I mean? We're building this car to look like it was in the day. And I'm very happy with how it's turning out. I honestly think it looks, I don't think the chassis ever looked this good back in the day. I could be wrong. We'd have to ask Court, but I don't think they went to this extent. I mean, look, I can see myself in the differential there. Come on. So, I'm very pleased with what's going on here. So, waiting on a couple more little pieces. I've sanded right now and painted in the shop, and then that's about it for this today. That's about as far as we got. And where else are we here? What else have we gotten done here today? Take in here. So kind of stopped here. Brad was over giving him a hand, and he's doing the paint work. And I say he's got this wall all done, second coat finished, all above there, second coat. You see, got the garage door on. Remember I had those swing out barn doors? Put a nice roll up door on here with windows. Had let some light in here. What a difference. I love it. So I got my brother from another mother coming tomorrow to put some trim on the outside here. Well, one day this week, just to fill in the gaps. You got to do the trims now. And then we got to get, you can see, like, look at the walls, how filthy they are here. Then we got to get painting all this. So this will probably be in a couple more Sundays. Maybe even next Sunday. Try and get all this painted white. Got all the back half done. Just cleaned it right up. Just slowly working on it. But I wanted to do this half first and get the door up. And then over here, started painting a few parts. More my Model A than anything, but there's a couple things for Terry's car. Terry's car got all the stuff I'm going to be putting in here pretty quick now. I just painted these. I'm going to take these down. And then I did paint the one piece of Terry's car, but I painted up my, I got the radiator painted. I can't stand it. You know, I'm running a 32 grill shell, and I don't really care what grill shell we're running. I've got an aluminum radiator here, brand new from Champion Rads. Very reasonable radiators and very good radiators, 100%. But I can't stand when you got a car with a grill shell like a 32 and you see this aluminum radiator through there. I think it just looks like fucking ass. This is my opinion. So I paint it black so it doesn't stand out. And did the one backing plate for Terry's car. Anyway, and then I was doing the backing plates for my own car here. For the Model A. So now I'm going to get this stuff down, it's dry, fill the bar up with all the Terry suspension stuff and get that painted. So that's still got to go on today too. So we'll get all that done. So yeah, that's about it. But the day's almost ending here for, it's getting, I can't believe it, I think it's like 3 o'clock or 3:30. Beautiful day. Oh, here we go, we got the rear drums out. Got it all cleaned up and painted. Got that done. Yeah. That's about what's going on so far. So, I'm going to, I think that's about it. I think that's all I got to show you today. There isn't too much there. There's no point. Maybe stay tuned. Maybe I'll do a video this week showing all the other parts of Terry's car getting painted. But I got to set it all up. And the time I do all that and get everything ready to go, it's going to be late. So, all I got to say is it wasn't the most exciting day today for you guys. But the Carried Away Custom is coming along. I'm super happy about it. It's looking awesome. I don't know what else to say about that car. It just is going to look killer when it's done. So happy. It's just nice to know it's all new. The diff, if you're wondering again, it's a 55 Chevy differential with 355 gears in the back, non-posi. And like I said, I just had it completely rebuilt. It's all new. It's all new and ready to go. Right? Why wouldn't I put a posi in it? Well, why would I? Never had a posi in it when they had it, and I don't want to change anything on the car. And to put a posi in that car would have been like an extra $800-900. And this car is more of a custom, so it's not a drag car. So that's all we got to say there. Okay, guys. Well, hey, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Stay tuned. I know the videos are a little slow on the car. On the Sunday fun days, they're a little slow. It's just because everything's in the process of, you know, you're painting parts. You're painting. That's all you're doing. You're wire wheeling, cleaning, and painting parts. And until we get all them parts painted and we can get things together, then the excitement will happen again. So hey, it's always a good time at all time. See you later.